Hi guys, thanks for joining me. I'm just here with a short video just to discuss our Back to Basics training course. So the Back to Basics has been running now for over 10 years. We've trained in excess of 1,000 people in the intricacies and the basics of caring for your car and then learning skills that will then help you progress onto further things. So whether that's one-to-one training, whether that's career and detailing and valeting. We've had a vast variety of people that have come and done the course. A lot of those have actually gone on to do this as a day job. So what does the Back to Basics cover? So Back to Basics is, as the title suggests, it's an introductory course into car care. So it covers all the basics. So things like wheel cleaning, pre-washes, snow foaming, exterior decontamination, physical decontamination, machine polishing, sealants, waxes, glass, dressings and tyres. So all the basic elements that you would need to keep it on top of your pride and joy, to keep your car nice and clean, and maybe to be used as a foundation for then moving on to further training. So we have, as I said, a lot of different people coming doing the course. We have older people, we've had younger people, we've even had people come and done the course multiple times. So we do have a number of customers that have come and done the course with us 2 or 3 times. So what can you expect to get out of the Back to Basics? Well, if you're struggling, so if you don't know the difference between a wax, for example, and a sealant, why you'd use one over the other, what the actual practical differences in application are, that's the sort of thing that we cover on the Back to Basics. Also things like product dilution. So, you know, if you're unsure on how to dilute your wheel cleaners or your pre-washes, things like that, or how to use snow foam lamps, all that's covered in a nice, fun, informal day. So you get to come and hang out with like-minded individuals who are here to learn new skills, brush up on existing skills if you've already been in the trade before, or if you just like hanging around with like-minded people and talking about all things cars. Don't forget as well, once you complete the course, you also get one of our snazzy Back to Basics certificates. So this explains some of the areas that you've covered during that course. So you get to take that away with you, hang it up on your wall in your garage, wherever you want to put it. We have got 2 dates left available for this year. So we only run our courses up until October. So we have got September and October dates left available. So check that out on the website. There'll be a link in the video and you can go check that out, read some of the information about it and also book your place. £50 for the day. It's a full day course. So it normally runs from 9 till 4, half 4. And basically we've kept that price the same since the inception of the Back to Basics. So it's a really good value day. So if you want to come and check it out, myself and Clive host it. There's no such thing as a silly question. You can ask whatever questions you want throughout the day. And it is a really good, fun day. So if you're interested, check out the link and I'll see you soon.
The clapboard.